Welcome to your channel, my friends. So today we are going to sketch this isometric view by using Solidworks. I hope you enjoy. We started by designing this length of 60mm and this width of 40mm, extrude up to 10mm. So let's start. Choose file on you, part, OK. Top plane, sketch, choose center rectangle, start from origin, OK. Assign dimensions, give this length 60mm, give this width of 40mm and extrude it up to 10. Okay, you see, then assign this one, this part. Okay, you see this part with this length. This is 10, 10, 20 and extrude up to 38. Okay, choose this face, normal, sketch, corner rectangle, give this distance of 20. Okay, features, extrude, isometric, extrude up to 30mm. Okay, say okay. So let's check. Cut this one from up to this. We have 20. So and width of 10. Let's see. Select this face, normal. Choose corner rectangle. Start from this. Okay, assign dimension, give this 10. Okay, isometric, features, cut extrude up to 20. Okay, say okay. You see, assign this radius of 40, this diameter of 40 and this inner circle of 20 diameter. Let's see. Choose this face, fillet, rotate. Okay, choose round corner, select this face, choose this one, rotate, select this one and this, say okay. You see, isometric. Then insert the hole with 20 diameter and this distance from this line up to this origin of the hole is 40mm. Okay, select the face, normal, sketch, circle, circle of 20 diameter. Okay, select this one with circle, make it concentric. Okay, fully defined, choose okay. Isometric, extrude, cut through, features, extrude, cut through. Okay, you see, then insert this hole of 20 diameter and this radius of 40 diameter. Okay, let's see, select the face, normal, sketch, circle, assign dimension, give 20 diameter. Okay, you see, isometric, extrude, cut through here. See, features, cut, extrude, blind through here. Okay, you see, then assign this radius and diameter. Okay, select this one, this face, fillet, select this one. Okay, select this face. Okay, select this top, rotate, select this one, say okay, isometric, so friends, you see, this is the shape we have on the drawing. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more. Make white plain, make plain white, so you can change color by default, select part by default, appearance, assign color, say okay. So friends, this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more.